we decided that we were had such great progress with our cushions inside yesterday and restoring them that we thought that we would do the same thing with our outside cushions. They looked so beat up and gross just from years of not being used that all of the piping on the outside, the vinyl has totally cracked on it and it's just peeling away. So what we decided or thought that we would try is we're going to get off the rest of the cracked vinyl in the piping, and then we're going to take the foam out of them and wash them to see if we can get them all cleaned up and replace the foam with some new closed cell foam and see if it works and we can restore these guys. I mean, the cushions and the fabric is all in good shape.
They're quite good.
Yeah, it's just the piping that's gross. So,
yeah, so let's see if we can get all that flaky junk off.
Yeah, we priced out to get new ones, and it's like $2,500 to replace them all from like the website, the Hunter website. So we figured, let's try this first. If it's great, it's a good fix for now, and we can change it up again later. Otherwise, we'll see. So on to vacuuming.
Yeah.
This is a tedious job, but I think it's going to actually work. We've got these two cushions done so far, and as you can see, it's gotten all of the old plasticky vinyl cover off of it, and it looks pretty good. They're cleaning up okay. I think that we're going to be able to wash them and do exactly what we want to with them, but it's definitely a process. You having fun yet, babe?
Oh yeah. At least we warmed up first.
Right?
Yeah.
Good to go, because leaning over right now and the shoulders and the arms, everything's awesome.
Yeah.
So.
But once we clean all this off, it's actually nice underneath.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
We'll bleach and wash them at the laundromat and cut some new foam. We saved ourselves almost $3,000 probably.
Yeah.
So
I think they're gonna end. We know they fit.
yeah.
So, and if somewhere down the road we decide that we want to change them out, we'll have templates to do it with. So,
Totally. Yep.
yeah, it's good.
It is good.
I'm happy with our progress.
Me too. We're getting almost there.
Yeah, only a lot more cushions to do. There she is, our new Go Fast boat.
You can't even imagine how fast this thing goes.
Oh, I know.
Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot Hunter sailboat, Pawnee Time. Join us every Friday as we learn to navigate these new waters and refit, renovate, and restore our new home. Thanks for all your support along the way.
All right, so this marina is awesome because they have this little rec room area that they've allowed me to use so that I can cut my foam and not have it on the dock where it's all dirty and everything. But check this out. This is a huge 2 full sheets of foam that are in this tiny little square. So we're gonna cut it open and watch it explode. Ready? Starting to go. Part 1. Alright, let's lay this out flat and let it take some shape here. And just like that, this lovely high density water resistant foam is going to turn into brand new boat cushions. Here we go. Okay, so I've tried this every configuration possible to try and get it just on the one piece of foam, and it's not going to work. So unfortunately we do have to use this second piece of foam for just one piece, but I figure I can use this leftover somewhere else, bunch up some cushions, make it a little bit more comfy in some spots. But there it is, the pattern's laid out. It's time to just do the trace around right now and then start cutting. Alrighty, so I got all of my templates drawn out and it cuts pretty good with just the box cutter. As you can see, I got one done already. You just go around and trace the line, and then after you trace it, you go a little bit deeper and you cut the whole thing in one go. So it's not too difficult, pretty easy to cut this foam, and I'm going to have all this left over extra to try and beef up some of our other cushions. Okie dokie, so I've got all of my foam pieces cut out. And using the box cutter worked really, really well. I was able to control my edges and really get the sizes that I want to. We might have to do some trimming on some of the pieces, but it's time to clean all this up and then try and fit them. So not bad. Pretty easy job today, and I think it's going to turn out absolutely awesome. What did you do to my boat?
Hi.
Hey, it's a mess in here.
Yep, but it's gonna get all cleaned up now. The hard part's done. We've had a complete service. Everything. Impellers, fuel strainers, fuel filters, oil filters, oil, all of it. We've done everything today.
Every last bit of it.
Yep. Diagnosed a few things that I got to repair. Got to get a few parts for the generator, but got the generator running today. It's got a leaky water pump, so I'm gonna have to order one of those and replace it.
Yeah.
But pretty happy about that. It actually purred like a kitten. And our motor's solid, man. It's really good. It just needed some cleanup and some love. New belts. It's got everything's been done. So
awesome.
now I have to clean up the mess, get some of the diesel stink out of here. But it won't take me long, an hour, and I'll have this all spick and span.
It's awesome that the whole stair companionway
opens
right
up,
and you can get down to the entire engine. Like,
it makes so much space.
It's crazy.
To be able to access it completely. I mean, originally we were getting everything from the side and the front, and then the companionway was here, and then working in through here, but it's pretty awesome.
All right, so it's been a crazy busy day today getting stuff done. As you can see, we've got all of the cockpit cushions finished, which is awesome, and we finally have the bimini up and done. We have our sail window in, so our cockpit area is kind of completed. As you can see, we have a very large engine hanging off the back of our boat, which is a silly long story. We went to go get our dinghy in Charleston and we were super excited about it. Brought the motor down from the minivan, brought the dinghy back out of the van. After we got here, we were on the dock, we were ready to pump it up, and realized that they gave us the wrong boat. So, needless to say, it is Easter weekend and we can't do anything for a couple days. So the boat's now back in the minivan. The big 25 is on the back of our boat and we just have to wait. So it looks pretty ridiculous, as you can see, sitting here. But you know what? It is what it is. At least we have a spot for it. It's all okay. They're gonna fix it and make it perfect in a couple days. So that's that. And then another exciting thing is we've got propane action going on here. So our parts finally arrived for the, what is it called?
The regulator and Sailboat.
Yeah. So now we're changing those out, and hopefully, fingers crossed, those are the issues, and we should have that done and have propane back on the boat. So
it will work.
It will work. It'll be awesome.
It'll be awesome.
What's that? Is that the bad one?
That's the bad one. We're putting in a whole new one.
Awesome. And then it's gonna work.
Yeah, and then we're gonna be able to cook multiple ways.
I love it.
So many ways.
Multiple cooking.
Yeah.
We got fire, and it puts off a lot of heat in here already. Holy crow, that's hot.
We got propane now.
We got propane. You fixed it.
Fixed.
Way to go, babe.
Woo!
Now we can cook on the oven.
If we want to.
If we want to.
We have electric and gas now.
We do. Now we're cooking with gas. Yes. You did it!
One more to wipe off the thing.
And must do before we move, propano. Awesome. Yay, we're getting there, little by little.
Little by little. We can buy eggs now.
We can buy eggs and make hard-boiled eggs, or even just cook eggs.
Just fried eggs.
Oh my God, we're gonna have fried eggs for breakfast. I'm so excited. We've been living on cereal and oatmeal for the past Well, whatever, since we've been on the boat.
Month and a half.
Anyways,
Yeah.
it'll be nice to have
Options.
something different.
Mhm.
Yay! There she is. Our new Go Fast boat.
How cool is this?
This is awesome. Look at that. Oh, she's pretty.
She's so pretty.
I'm so happy.
We gotta pump it up. Check it out.
Yeah, let's move it to the end of the dock maybe and pump it up.
No, right here. Perfect.
All right, we'll leave it here.
Yeah.
Awesome. Check this bad boy out. We are so excited. Came with a fun little pouch for the seat. It's cushioned. It's got a big bag inside and then 2 down here, 4 holders on the side. So when you're not using them up here, I figured out how this guy works. So this is where you keep your gas can and your anchor up in the locker up here. Super cool. And then the bow step. This is a beautiful new dinghy.
I love it.
Do you like it, baby?
It's gonna go so fast.
This is so awesome. We're so excited.
Just getting our dinghy set up. So we went and bought some heavy duty 3/8 marine fuel line. We're gonna run it through here in the inner part of the hull and then pack out through the back. So it's done once, done right, and we don't ever have to get to it. We're also gonna put in an inline fuel filter and then connect the Yamaha fittings on that end to go to our kick-ass 25 horsepower, ultra lightweight, super high torque, super wicked awesome 25 horsepower Yamaha motor.
Yamaha, Yamaha, Yamaha.
Yamaha. It's just fun to say and it's awesome. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're just gonna on messenger line here, gonna run it through the hole. Then we're gonna redo our fittings on each end, put our fuel tank in, then we're gonna put this, finish getting it pumped up to the right PSI in the tubes, plunk it in the water, and then we're gonna install our engine and then we're gonna go for a rep. Yes, go time.
There.
So we're all ready to go. Checked all the fluids. She's floating. I just primed the fuel. Pumped it up. We're in neutral. Set the tension on the throttle a little bit. There we go. Now let's try this sucker. So this hasn't been fired yet, but it's batteryless fuel injecting. First pull should charge it, and the second one should light it up, but it hasn't been run yet. It might take a minute to get the fuel through it. We'll see.
Ah, just like that, babe.
Just like that.
That's the water coming out the back.
Perfect. Now we're just gonna run it for a bit. Idle it up. Then we might have to go try it out.
We might have to take a dinghy ride.
Yeah.
I'll get the life jacket.
Okay.
Hi, baby.
Hey.
Are you super excited?
So excited.
Put your safety harness on.
Always.
It's adventure dinghy time.
It is adventure dinghy time.
Yeah, it is.
Just gonna idle around in it and then warm this sucker up, break it in a little bit.
Yeah, we are. Baby, we're off the dock. We haven't been off the dock in weeks. Oh, look how pretty our marina is from this end, hey?
It's hard to tell, right?
We're high tide right now, so we don't have to worry about oyster beds at all, which is awesome. We can just kind of cruise around and check stuff out
There's our boat.
and not stress out. Where's Honu? Hey, Honu.
Hey, buddy.
You look pretty sexy.
That does, hey?
Baby, are you super excited?
Oh man, this is so cool.
Yeah.
Now we just need some dolphins.
Dolphins!
Yeah.
Here, dolphins!
This is beautiful.
It's so pretty in here. We are gonna get no work done now.
Nope.
Maybe getting the dinghy was a bad
You're not allowed to
idea.
go for a dinghy ride until you get X done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do your chores. Next thing we have to do is learn how to land the drone right here.
Totally.
Are you up to the challenge, baby?
Yes.
Yes.
I think yes.
It's unfortunate that this whole channel in here is a no wake zone, because we just want to open it up and see what she's going to do, but we're not allowed to. What's that?
Cut through there, or do you want to keep going?
We can try it. It's high tide. We can go lots of places.
Check it out.
Famous last words.
Well,
Let's
we'll
go check it out.
We'll just watch.
All right.
It's shallow.
Oh, this looks cool.
Yeah.
Adventure dinghy, adventure dinghy. Da, 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 da. Right, right.
This is like quarter throttle. It's